Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're breaking down a question every entrepreneur asks at some point. How much should I raise my prices? A little? A lot? Step by step? One big leap? Here's the truth. The amount you raise depends on the phase your brand is in, and the story you want your pricing to tell. If you are early in your growth, or if this is your first ever price increase, small steady raises are usually the smartest move. A 10% to 30% increase at a time lets your audience adjust easily without creating resistance. It builds your confidence, builds buyer trust, and gives you room to grow again soon. For example, if your offer is $97, raising it to $127 or $147 feels natural. If it's $297, moving to $347 or $397 is clean. Small but strategic steps add up, and they show your brand is moving without shocking your buyers. If you've already built strong proof, audience trust, and your results are undeniable, you can make a bigger leap, even 50% plus, or a full bracket jump. For example, if you launched at $197, but now you're delivering full transformations, you can confidently step to $497 or $597. But you must communicate that shift with visible upgrades and leadership. Here's the rule to remember. Small raises require minimal explanation. Big raises require visible transformation. If you dramatically improve the offer, more depth, faster results, better systems, added exclusivity, then a big jump doesn't feel forced. It feels earned. Also, don't forget, when you raise for the future, not the past. Price increases are about honoring where your brand is going, not staying where it's been. Final tip: raise small when you're building momentum. Raise bigger when you're stepping into new authority. But whatever you do, raise with intention, not impulse. Strategic moves scale brands. Emotional moves stall them.